What's up guys, it's me, RDEP here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the second money making method. But first, I'm just gonna, I'm getting low on revolvers. So soon I'm going to be making a video on how to do the duplicating glitch. But I need one of my friends on for that. None of my friends are on really. But right now I'm going to be showing you guys the third and best money making glitch. Or not glitch, my bad. Money making method. My bad if I said glitch. So let's get right into this. So first you're going to want to get yourself a backpack if you have one with stuff. Then you're going to want to come over to sewers. Let me just clean my daily things. Alright, but let's go. I'll show you. So you want to go to sewers because there's two things you can grab to get a bunch of money. So the two things. The two things are one or two, whichever one you of the suitcases, and then a whole bag full of gold nuggets. So if you get all that, you can have a lot of money. Right now I have nothing in this backpack, but backpack on my back because it's full of my revolver stuff. We don't want to collect any of this loot. You want to come this way. Straight through here. Into here. So there might be a bomb on it. And there might be a flashbang and there might be a mimic. That doesn't matter. We've got more money making methods. Close, almost got there. Don't need that. Actually, wait, I'll take it. Because I'm gonna go back here real quick. And if you get like one of these or a crowbar, which I highly recommend, you can either kill the monster or open the loot crate. Try and get this little guy here. Nothing good there that you would want to collect. If there's like a shotgun, you can take it for my opinion, I would not. What the? Flashlight actually. Don't want to see that guy. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. We're gonna get through here now. I really can't see. Losing all this nice loot. So you want to know one of things? Come down. And then you're on Trevor Reagan blast into there. Come down here. Then come through here. Into the foundation. That was scary because I'm scared of it. I don't want to fall because I'll lose my revolvers. So, the best money making method down here, if you're gonna collect nuggets, collect only the big ones. Not the little ones because they're worth less, but the big ones, they're worth so much more. Oh, frick. We already got pretty low. Almost died. There's no big ones. We hit the jackpot over here. Because there's 2 suitcases which we can... This full? Now we have to make it through here with our loot, no dying. If we die, we, of course, you know, guys lose all this loot. Bro, you don't want to collect these ones. They're worth like $10, $100, I don't know. I mean, that's enough to buy a backpack, but down here, I think you already have a backpack. We're gonna have to go up. I already just said I don't wanna die here. Almost dead. No. Touch it with their back. We're screwed. Okay. We're good. Now we just have to make it through the death trap. So if you want to make a lot of money, I suggest going haunted sewers. And if you what? I can't speak. If you watched my last video, you know how to do the haunted mansion run. It's pretty easy actually. It's a good run to do. If you want money. Oh frick. We can't get up. And guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers so I could live stream Animal Company. Yes, I know 50 subscribers is a big goal, but if we can do it, I will live stream Animal Company with all my viewers and people. So let's get this video to 100 likes. I know it's a lot. Couple views. I don't know how many we can get because I'm not a great YouTuber right now. Okay. We didn't die. Bam! Okay, we can't. We are so much. Alright, let's sell all this golden loot and see how much money this makes y'all. Sorry, these guys keep falling out. $4,000, 5,000 actually. Alright guys, but I think that's all for today's money making method. I'm just gonna blow up that guy real quick because he's not really. I'm just gonna throw that at him too. But that's all for today's money making method. And no update today. I mean, it is Tuesday, but there's no update. It's kind of weird, but okay. I'm just gonna shoot this real quick. Wait, what the fight? It's funny. Statistically. Move back. Oh. Bro. Oh god. Alright guys, but that's the end of today's video. I probably won't post another video till like after Thanksgiving. Sorry guys, I'm not posting a video tomorrow. I might though. I might consider that. But if I don't, have a happy Thanksgiving everybody. Bye guys.